Hello everybody, today I've got the Scoot XA5 alarm disc, a motorbike disc lock. This thing is loud as. Just had to stuff a bit of kitchen roll now just to dampen it down in case we set it off. Like I say, I got this for a couple of quid and I got an Oxford Amiga for a couple of quid. So we're going to give it a shot. First thing I'm just going to try and put it in, like replicate like this is the disc on the motorbike. So we will put it that way. No, it's not going to work. We'll have to heighten it a bit. Right, that should do. Right, first things first, arm it. That is armed. Right, next thing to do is get this in. I have set the pig to the right size tension. Let's click there, 1, 2, click then 3. Click then 6. See, that's what I like about Oxfords. They don't use the same disc stack, the same kind of discs in all the products. On these ones, I've got the dead fat ones. And also you get dead skinny ones in Oxford range. And obviously they came out with what them call their pig-proof cylinder, which is the like profile copy, which it really isn't pig-proof. Like I say, if you can get a bottom tension or top tension, they do open real easy. I'm just trying to get a grip. I think I've got them all in. I'm just testing them again. Start again there. Just get that out a bit. That's a bit better. So 2, 3. I'll pull that a bit closer, sorry. Just push that down a bit there, that's better. What these are for is to keep your pig square on inside the this stack, but also you can use it as a heightener. Let's try 7. 7 I always believe is parked that way. Let's park them in one spot because I don't know about setting properly. That's 2, 3. 4. Feedback like, but I think what I've done is over tension. I need to pull the tension a bit more. Just keep cracking on though. Park them all up. I'm going to try something here. Get grip with it. I'm trying to get grip with that number 7 disc. Didn't work. Let's click there again. Another click. Another click. That's better. I'm getting somewhere now. Another click. I think this should be ready to pop. I'm just going to do that number 7 again. Try that side. See, this will be a first time open. I can see it. I try my best to capture first time opens. That's why if I don't catch a first time open, I never usually put a lock on YouTube. What's the point? haven't seen his pick busting. Oops, no. Oh, it's tensioning alright there, like, I'll crack on again. Must be missing one disc, I believe. I think it's something to do with 7. I think. Let's get a grip of that. Take a little bit further about there. There, got it open. That's open. Didn't set it off either. So there you go. Right there, so I don't want the thing going off. I will show you how loud it is. Just get the keys in there first. Right, I'll show you how loud this thing is. I'll set it off for 2 seconds. No, double click, well it does a double beep, but it's not set. It needs to be 1 beep. Right. Let it on first. Right. That's much louder because I put that in. So anyway, there you go. Another Oxford dusted. Thanks for watching. Peace out.